Wallace Lation, owner of Heidts, and we're here at our annual Spring-Summer Open House and Car Show. We have lots of cars, street rods, trucks, muscle cars. Looks like a good day, weather's cooperating, and everyone should ideally enjoy themselves here. If you missed this year, please catch us in the fall.
Up against someone who was a person who didn't come who had less experience, but I'm like, I get it.
Mark Lovan here at the Heidts Automotive Group Open House and Car Show. With me is Black Betty 2001 Z28 with the Heidts Pro G, IFS, and IRS underneath it, bringing Black Betty back to the future. This is Camaro Performers magazine car you may know of in the books and online. Just got back from road trip, Cars and Cones, 2,000 mile, 3 autocross, multi-faceted day. It's been Daytona, National Corvette Museum, multiple autocrosses, road use, car shows. Heidts equipment can do everything. Handle, cruise, race, we do it all, and I'm proving it over and over again and having a good time doing it. Have any questions, check us out online or on Facebook for the car itself.
For a little while, we brought this 70 Buick here, max loans from Lake Forest, Illinois, and putting a few break-in miles on it. It had 60 miles when I left the shop this morning, so got a few more on it. It's almost 100, I guess, now. And this has got the Schwartz G-Machine chassis, a real nice interior that Casson Customizing did for us. And this car was 100% done at Schwartz Performance with the exception of the interior. So we painted the car, we did the complete build on it, and modified the engine and did one of our 650 horse packages on it. We've got Forge Line wheels on there, the Bear brakes that have the Schwartz logos on them, and it's just a really nice, comfortable car. And the owner wanted kind of a wacky interior, a little bit out there, so I think Shane, who did the interior, hit it right on the mark. So gonna enjoy the day and then put some more miles on this baby.
All right, I'm Dick from Black Dog Speed Shop, and today we brought a 55 convertible Chevy that has a Heidts chassis and full suspension under it. It has an independent rear suspension, which Heidts also manufactures, and we brought a 57 Cameo, which has Heidts front suspension and Heidts rear, also independent rear suspension on it. They both have LS swaps in them. This has an LS7, which is a 427. This has LS3.
Mike Schlesinger. I own Street Machines Incorporated. We build custom cars. This is a specialty car that was supposed to go to Israel. It's 500 horses to the rear wheel. It's got a Dana rear end. It's got a 425 stroked motor. It's tied in the front, tied in the back. It's running a B&M shifter with a 700R, 411 rear gear, Corvette suspension front and rear. It's running big Boss tires in the back and small Boss tires in the front. The car was set up for street racing. Had a Detroit locker in it. We took it out, put a new posi in it. We build custom cars from 32s, 55, 6 and 7 Tri-Chevys. We do 69 Camaros, muscle cars, and straight cars. One of the examples of the cars next to me is the 32, which is Paul's. You want to talk about your car, Paul?
My name is Paul Badalamenti from Schaumburg, Illinois. It's a 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. I built it in 1998. It's got a JW Rod garage chassis with a Heidts Super Ride front end, 350 Chevy with tunnel ram. Drive it everywhere. Great car. Having a ball.
Hi, this is Rick. I'm with Monster Labs. That's my garage. This is my 1973 Camaro. I built this in 2008. It's a work of love. I have small block Chevy with a Vortex supercharger. I'm running bare brakes. I designed and engineered a lot of stuff myself. I have a rack and pinion steering. It's a 73 Camaro. I painted this out of my garage. It's PPG paint. And I got a lot of little tricks in here. I got power door poppers. I custom sewed the dash and everything. I have a Vet Brake product suspension which has like Bilstein heavy duties on it with some fiberglass leaf springs. I wanted to use my fiberglass trunk lid, so I had to design some hinges here to make it open backwards. And all the lighting is LED lighting. In the back here I have LED tail lights that they didn't make at the time, so I had to design and make myself. I have some reverse lights in my fiberglass bumpers. Then we'll go back up to the front. I'm running big American racing Intense 5 wheels. I didn't like them, they were too shiny, so I painted them black. And then I have some Chevy bow tie turn signals that are LED that I had to design and make myself, and these are on Audi A3 projectors with HIDs inside of them. And that's pretty much where I spent all my money. Thank you.